Yeah, these are stinking cute, but do they work? Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us, and it is time to test these super cute and adorable sewing machines. Now, I have tested sewing machines before, some of those from Amazon, like the cheapest of the cheap, because I wanted you guys to know whether they work, how to operate them before you bought them. These are targeted towards that same demographic, the person who is traveling, the person who is a beginner, the person who likes color, quite frankly. And I wanted to test them because they are a little bit more expensive. Both of these are Janome sewing machines. This is the Janome Arctic Crystal and this is the Janome Lightning Pink. And I wanted to test them to see if they're worth the money. This one is currently, and I'm so grateful that I made this video now because they're still on sale at Joann Fabrics. This is currently $119. It retails, the MRSP is $199. So if you are interested at the end of this video at all, definitely run, don't walk, to get it. This one is, I did get it from Joann Fabrics. They no longer have it at Joann Fabrics, but on Amazon right now, it's running $100. That's the best price I've found for it. I believe when I bought it, it might have been $70, it might have been $100. I'm not sure, but they are a comparable price. Only $20 difference right now if you live in the US. All right, so the question we all want answered. They're cute and all, but do they work? And who are they for? Who will they work for? All right, so let's get into it. This is the Janome New Home, easy to use in lightning pink. I believe it comes in about 8 colors, so that's super exciting. And it says it has 10 stitches, but it actually has 4 stitches and then 6 variations. You can see right here on the front, it has several different styles of straight stitch, and that is just the stitch length. So on a normal sewing machine, you would have a dial for the stitch length. This does 5 different stitch lengths for your straight stitch, and then you can vary it to a wide zigzag, and it goes down 3 different zigzags. It has this cute little moon shaped stitch and then a like variated zigzag stitch. I have tried, you can see it right here, I have tried all of those stitches. They stitch really well, and I'm just gonna let you guys know off the bat, I was very pleasantly surprised by these Janomes. Now, Janome has a good reputation for quality, for being long lasting, so I should have expected this, but I didn't know what to expect. I thought maybe these were just like the ones that they sell on Amazon, like kind of like the mini ones, the toy ones, but with the Janome name on it. But I was pleasantly surprised with the stitches. I'll let you guys hear me sewing with it, listen to how it sounds. It does sound like a mini sewing machine, so there's no getting around that. It does have a mini foot, and it has the little plug that goes in. It does not have a light on it. That was a bit annoying. And I actually, this time, I sewed a whole project with these. On Saturday, you guys will see my new video, my new upcycle come out. I sewed the whole thing just with this sewing machine and the other one, the turquoise one and this one. Nothing else. So that's new for me. Normally I don't sew with these. I normally use my regular sewing machines for my projects, but I really wanted to be able to give you guys a good and fair assessment to see if this is going to work for you. It's really easy to thread. In the back, it has like the bobbin holder folds out, and then you thread it pretty much like a normal sewing machine. It does have a top bobbin case. You use clear bobbins like most standard machines or most domestic machines currently. It does have a free arm, so you can take the cuffs and the sleeves and put it around this. It doesn't come out. The piece that you use in order to hold your accessories is this little drawer right here. It's super cute, and it comes with 3 different bobbins and a needle and a needle threader. So just what you need in order to just get started right away. And it does have a back stitch that works. It works very well, and you can thread your bobbins. That is a plus. There are some of those sewing machines that I have tested, those mini sewing machines, it does not thread your bobbins. This will thread your bobbins for you. So if you're not into like manually threading bobbins, which I've never done and never wish to do. Yeah, you can thread your bobbins on this machine, so that's a big plus. It does not have a buttonhole. So if you want to do buttonholes, you can't do it on this. It doesn't even have a stitch that is tight enough for a buttonhole. So no buttonholes on this machine, so that's a drawback. So no light, no zigzag stitch small enough to do a buttonhole. But I'm telling you, the way this thing sews, oh, I just can't wait for you guys to see Saturday's video, because I was so pleasantly surprised by how many layers this was going through. So of course I did test it on denim. Yes, you guys know I'm gonna do the denim test, because a lot of upcyclers and a lot of people in general that I've read in the comments, you guys love to buy these sewing machines and try to do the most with it. I thought I was the only one who like tried to work my machines to death, but you guys do. I've seen it in the comments. But yes, it does sew denim. It easily sews through 2 layers of denim. It easily sews through 4 layers of denim. Super strong stitch. You can go backwards, so then you can secure your stitch. It will sew through, like this end part I sewed through, that was 3, 6, 8 layers right at the end. Not like that. Oh no, I did it. It just hit a point where it couldn't, I don't know what it was. A lot of sewing machines do that. It's like a point that they can't get through. You just go past it and it's fine. So that's a good stitch, actually. So this one is out stitching on denim. Now, continuously sewing through 8 layers, it did not want to do that. But I suspect it's because the needle is just not thick enough. I feel like this has the power to do it if you got a big enough needle. And I tried it on this like chiffon material, because I think it's important to try it on light fabrics. And some of the other sewing machines, I tried them on light fabrics and they didn't do well. But this one does a really nice stitch on lighter fabrics. That's not bad. Of course, you know, as always, the correct needle is so important, and the correct stitch length and tension is important. But I just try to sew through them and see if it'll eat it up. Like, that's the biggest issue for me. Will this sewing machine just take that chiffon and just shove it down in the needle plate? You know what I'm talking about. You guys are laughing at me, but you know exactly what I'm talking about. Pull it all in, and then you have to cut out the chiffon or satin or silk or whatever. It's just so annoying, and it didn't do that. That just excited me. Now, this is something I did not say, which has impressed me beyond measure of any mini sewing machine I've ever tested. First, let me say, for kids, it does have a guard on the foot so they won't sew their fingers. But this is the thing. This is the thing that lets you know that they built it for people like us, like this upcycling community. They built it for us. It has the extra lift, y'all. So what I mean by that is that you lift the foot, right? But you know, in those instances where you're trying to get something under the foot and it won't fit, and you need that extra little, yes. So what I'll say about this one, my final thoughts on this. If you are traveling, or if you are actually buying this for a beginner sewist, this would be my recommendation. All of the other ones I've read in the comments, they last like a year, and I had issues with pulling the thread through them. Those are good options, I think, if you just don't have the money if you don't have the money, but you want to give that person like a gift, an opportunity to try so that they can kind of get hooked on it and then save up the money for a real, sewing machine. But if you have the $100 and you want something this small and you want something that, okay, say the person doesn't get hooked on sewing, but you can still take this and use it yourself or give it to someone else and it's not completely trashed in a year, this will be my recommendation. Forget all the others. That would be my recommendation. There it is. And before we get to this one, if you haven't subscribed, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing. I love testing sewing machines for you guys. If there's one you want me to test that you're interested in, let me know in the comments below. I'll see if I can get my hands on it. And if you're interested in our Upcycling World Champs merch, then you can definitely purchase that down below. All right, let's talk about the Janome easy to use new home Arctic Crystal. The Arctic Crystal is just the color of it because I do believe that they have other colors of this one as well. This is a full-size sewing machine. It has a full-size foot and the foot applies much like any other Janome sewing machine or any other regular domestic size sewing machine. Now the other one is only 5 pounds. You can lift it super easy. This one is a little bit heavier. I can lift it with one hand, still pretty light, but it has a metal frame. And I don't know if you know what that means, but that means that they made it to be a little bit tougher. Like they wanted it to be a little bit tougher than a normal cutesy pootsy sewing machine. And I say it like that because so many manufacturers automatically, if you see it and it's cute, they were targeting it for kids and it is not as good and it's not going to last as long. That's why I wanted to do this video because the Janome ones are slightly more expensive. Like this one is regular price $199, on sale for $119 right now at Joann Fabrics. But should I tell you before the video even starts? Y'all, I wasn't expecting much. I'll just say it, I wasn't expecting much. I don't expect much from cutesy sewing machines. This baby, it performed. It performed. It sold through everything like butter. Like it was so comfortable sewing with it. I'm just saying, it's not a heavy duty, quote unquote, heavy duty sewing machine, but it does have the extra lift. It has the extra lift. And I'm super excited. I was supposed to say that at the end, but I couldn't contain myself because I'm super excited. Super easy to thread. It threads like normal. You can wind your bobbins on it. It does have this little plastic, or actually 2 of them, these little plastic spool holders, which is so convenient for when you're doing your twin needles. I do have a video about how to thread your sewing machine for twin needles. I don't currently have, well, not in my normal sewing machines, have one that has 2 spools like this. So these are amazing and it pulls up and down. So they're out of the way. So they thought about that maybe you would want to sew with a twin needle. It has a metal spool pin underneath the foot. So that just makes me feel like really nostalgic. Someone told me that all of the mechanical Janomes are like that. I didn't know that until now, but it supposedly makes the stitches more consistent and straighter. In this case, I can't argue with that. Like, I can't say that that's not true because that was my experience. Now on denim, this one in particular, the stitches weren't as defined as I would have liked. I could have played around with it for a lot longer to try to get them, but I went back and forth with it and they were just kind of not as defined. I was going through layers. Like, granted, I went through about 8 layers of denim with this, with ease, like butter, like literally like butter. Denim, denim, denim.
honestly, it did it with no effort. I just wish I could get the stitches to look like they did when it was sewing through that black fabric.
And I also sewed this with some chiffon. It did great. It did a great job. It was not sucking the material down into the sewing machine. It does have a free arm. You take this off, and it doesn't have a fold down like cartridge or case for your stuff, but it has a little baggie. You just keep it in there like that. It does come with 4 bobbins and a seam ripper. It also comes with a 4-step buttonhole. For me, that is probably the only drawback. I hate 4-step buttonholes. I just don't like them. Yeah, I don't like them. If this had a 1-step buttonhole, it would literally it would make all the difference, but it does have a buttonhole, so that's big. And it has a plastic plate that you can change out the metal plate for. It comes with some needles, and it also comes with a zipper foot, which is amazing, and another type of foot along with the regular metal foot. So it comes with a decent amount of accessories for this type of sewing machine and for that price. And it has 14 stitches. Now these are real stitches, and they come out pretty. Like they're consistent, they're pretty. So who would I recommend this for? I would recommend this really for anyone who was a beginner, wanted to travel, and likes color. There's no frills, nothing, that's gonna complicate your life. You just thread it and you go. Like I literally threaded it and I started sewing, period. There's no way to lower the feed dogs for quilters. So I'm sorry to all the quilters, unless someone else knows how to do that. I didn't see a button, or toggle or something. So it wouldn't be for quilters, but I think that this is a really, really good option, especially for that sale price of $119. If you can swing it, definitely, this is a great option. Only a little bit above that, like I said, the Singer Heavy Duty and the Brother Strong and Tough, only because they have a 1-step buttonhole. But other than that, not a whole lot different. So there, I said it. And Brother had been winning every time for me. So yeah, I said it. So there you have it. These are my very, very real opinions and very real excitement about the Janome cutesy, amazing sewing machines. Like, they really are amazing. I have other sewing machine reviews for you guys right here. Definitely check those out, and definitely subscribe and let me know what you want to see next. And I will see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.